Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm working on a 2005 Toyota Corolla, and this one is equipped with the 1.8 liter engine, and we are just going to be replacing the valve cover, uh, the breather hose, or the intake or vacuum hose here, because it's extremely uh, hard and brittle and it's cracked. So we are going to be replacing this. I'm just going to be making a very short video on this, and I'm going to be showing you the part numbers and the replacement of this part. The part number for this hose is right here, 122610D060. At the time of this video, I paid roughly $90 Canadian for this part, including taxes, which is my cost. It may be a little bit more or less depending on where you live. So I'm going to be replacing this. Now, I wasn't able to get this aftermarket because it was not available. Only the Toyota dealership has this. I'm going to put this on the side here. There's a clamp over here. We're going to pull this out. You will need to lift up on this piece and to, to wiggle and pull out this piece that goes into the plastic here. There's a plastic piece here, so you gotta make sure that you lift up on the insulation here, and don't forget that there's a clamp. You will need to transfer the clamp over onto the new part. So compare the old and the new. You can see the old one, it's cracked here. It's extremely it's hard like a rock. See, I'm not even able to squeeze it, and you can see it's ripped and cracked. It's hard like a rock here. I'm not even able to squeeze it. This is the original hose that's been on this vehicle for the last 18 years. This one here, it's soft. So we are going to install the part. It's a relatively very easy job, so there shouldn't be any issues here. We're just going to transfer over the clamps now. You could use pliers or something to take the clamp out and transfer it over. Just transfer it over here. Where the opening is, there's an opening, so make sure you need to lift up on the insulation here, and readjust it. Probably readjust it when I put it on the vehicle here. So we're just gonna do this. If you need to, you can add a little bit of silicone spray or lube here, just a tiny bit, to make it easier, so it will go inside the plastic opening there. So you can spray a little bit of the silicone spray just around the hose, just to make it easier for the install. You gotta make sure you do it quick because the silicone dries up uh, pretty fast if you're using the spray stuff. this over the rubber. Make sure it's lined up properly. If you need to, it's okay to pull back on the insulation here so you're able to get the clamp through. It will make things easier. After you are happy, you can just pull down on the clamp. I mean on the insulation. You just to pull it down. You should be okay after that. You may need to adjust the clamp. So once that's done, you can just install the hose here onto the valve cover and you should be all good to go. And that should be it. Just make sure that the plastic is clipped in place and it's in securely, and then you're all done. You just need to reinstall the plastic engine cover.